Good evening, everyone. I am Vishnu Ektab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Financial Times newspaper headline. So, first of all, bright outlook for forecasters. Next, two MEPs held as Qatari corruption scandal shakes European Parliament. Next, US scientists boost clean power hope with breakthrough in fusion energy. Next, Biden advisor criticizes Shale Group over supplies. Next, EY junks holiday bonuses. Next, Beijing eases freight curves. Next, Eon calls for grid support. Next, surge in Bitcoin outflows. Next, Japan warns on cheap bans. Then on page number 2, in that Biden advisor blast drilling investors. Next, Europe must invest more in electric grid, warns Eon chief. Next, alarm rises in France over threat of power cuts. The next, central banks rising losses, risk bailouts and political pressure. Then on page number 3, in that Netanyahu forgives Israel most right-wing government. Next, Europe's next generation of weather satellite to launch. Then on page number 4, in that Beijing lifts COVID curves for freight workers. Next, Dominicans Dominican Republic calls for the help to tackle Haiti gang violence. Next, China property woes push young to rent. And next, Bolsonaro ends weeks of silence to rally supporters as presidency draws towards close. Then on page number 6, in that doubt cast on collateral for Credit Suisse Green Seal loan. Next, EY scraps US merit bonuses as economic mood darken. Next, Bitcoin retreat. Investors pull record holdings from crypto exchanges after collapse of FTX. Then next, China's internet darlings leap forward for growth. Then next on page number 8, in that Spence Mango reassesses its reliance on China. The next, cost of owning EVs dips below petrol and diesel. Then on page number 9, in that Japanese cast doubt on US chief sanctions. Next, Blackstone private equity fund launch faces delay. Next, Fed's doubt plot offer clues to the pace of rate rises. Next, carriers feel squeezy has higher borrowing cost lift price of aircraft rentals. Then next, on page number 16, in that losing your life saving on crypto is a breakst opportunity. Next, the great chip war and the challenge for global diplomacy. And next on page number 17, that there was fantastic science, but without financing we could not go anywhere. And on page number 18, in that some tedious staging for elegant undead. Next, celebrity pals chit chat about the big sleep. And next on page number 19, in that migration fatigue. Next on page number 20, in that Peru's democracy cannot survive constant turmoil. Next, punctured bike boom could yet receive a boost. Next, why Britain's SMEs are losing Iris customers in the post. Next, an awesome disregard of cautious of Europe's peace. Next, a trade unionist take on the US working class. Next, recalling another twist in the Lloyd's HBOS takeover. Next, America's social divisions are about culture wars. Next, on EU trade, politicians cannot just hope for the best. Next, private schools should be taxed on donation too. Next, why ban on assisted dying in is unjust for many families. Next, an Indian expect recalls the appeal of Woodhouse. Next, more on Lady Hussein unfortunate questions. Then on page number 21, in that The UK government's policy on public sector pay is foolish. Next, lead mining population in Zambia is an ESG test case. Next, decoupling spells corporate opacities. And next, tech companies must start sharing intelligence to avert global conflicts. Then on page 22, in that, if you thought business jargon was bad. Next, that much for today. Thanks for watching.